Hi everyone, welcome to Mrs. Diva. Welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Diva, YouTube channel of Mrs. Diva, and our TikTok channel of Mrs. Diva as well. My name is Astha Jain and I bring for you a lot of business growth ideas, marketing tips, business advertising tips, work from home ideas, home business ideas, and anything and everything that is related to your business. So guys, first of all, I would like to thank all of you for supporting me so much, for subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking my videos on Facebook. But I would also like to say, please share, guys, please share. If you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, please share the videos. If you have liked the Facebook page, then please share the videos, comment on them wherever you're watching them. Please comment, share, like, and drop me a small message also whether you are liking my videos or not. Okay, so guys, today I wanted to discuss a very important topic because I've been working with one of the clients who is a reseller and who wanted to she's doing fine as of now, but she wanted to increase her profit margins and she wanted to scale the business. So that's when we decided that she should go for the business coaching package from me as of now. So I was doing a lot of research for her to help and to provide ideas to her how can she grow her reselling business. So there were a few points that came across to my mind, and I thought that it is important for me to share with all of you as well, because for her I'm doing totally dedicated to the products that she is dealing into, dedicated to the things that she specializes in. But there are a few general things that I want to mention over here, which is that, guys, try to figure out how, because I know that the first problem that she told me is that, ma'am, there are a lot of resellers in the market and what should I do? So guys, I want to tell all of you that, start looking towards a wider audience, or start looking towards the audience who is outside India as well. There are not a lot of people who are currently providing these services out of India, but it is very important because people from out of India also love the products that are sold here that you guys are selling. So find out a way how can you send and how can you courier these services. This is very important, guys, and one of the areas that I think that not a lot of resellers are covering as of now. So the sooner you begin with it, the better it will be. Then, guys, you can also think about of course, collaborations is definitely there that I always speak about. Then you can also think about going on Instagram. So you will not be able to sell directly from the Instagram, but what you can do is bring the audience from Instagram to your own website or to your Facebook page, from where they can see the whole range of the products and they can buy something. So use Instagram very strategically, and in the similar way use TikTok also very strategically. I know that a lot of you are there on TikTok and you have hundreds and thousands of subscribers and followers of your channel on TikTok, and some of you have also reached millions. Don't let go this power waste, guys. Don't let go this whole the whole audience that you have created on TikTok go waste. Bring them to your own channel or bring them to your own Facebook page or the website from where you are selling. Use this power that you have in your hand. It is a very, very big power and a very, very big thing that you have such a huge and such a big audience already ready for your business. So use these platforms to grow your business and to grow your work. Don't think that I am just a reseller and probably this is what I can only do and I can only earn 3 to 4,000 in a month and I cannot increase my income. Guys, you can definitely do it. You just need a little bit of you just need some different ideas and something different and something extra. So if you want to know more details probably, or you want to brainstorm with me about your business, then you can of course take my brainstorming sessions, and business coaching, it is always open for you all. But these are the things that I wanted to put out there, that it is It is imperative for you, it is very important for all of you to consider. And the last point that I want to say is that try to grow your portfolio. So whenever you are when you are selling something and you have a buyer, you should try and think that what else can I add to this whole bouquet of the product that I'm already offering. So connect with more manufacturers and connect with more wholesalers who you are comfortable with, and try to grow your business, the products that you are dealing in. So alright guys, these were the few things that I wanted to discuss with you all. Until we meet next time, bye bye.